Okay. These are sorry. Transformations. So compound.
Sir, third round and second round doubt, sir.
Yeah. I'll just go in order. Okay. So if you don't have much doubt, you can try 60 till you get your doubt. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Exercise 6D. You can see this page, section 1 up to 3. Anybody any doubts in these questions? What is there on the screen? No. Okay.
No.
Okay. Section 1, 5, 6, 7, you don't have to worry about it now because they are based on extreme values or periodicity. We'll discuss separately. Section 1, fourth question. There are 3 parts. Anybody in doubt in any one of these 3 questions?
Sir, third question, sir. In fourth
Third one,
Roman,
sir.
third Roman, sir.
Okay.
Third one.
I'll try to write it on the board itself. It's not required. I'll try to write on the screen. If somebody wants,
Sir,
I'll
we
write
have
it on
to
the board.
simplify each value under the root, sir.
Yeah. We have done similar thing in the
Using
class.
formula.
It's okay. We'll discuss.
Yes.
Root over 2 plus root over 2 plus root over 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta. I think this is a question. If we take this inner part, root over 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta, 2 common, it is 1 plus cos 4 theta, and that 1 plus cos 4 theta is 2 cos square 2 theta, which will be 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, so I can remove this and write that. So it will become root over 2 plus root over 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta, this part. Now you can take 2 common. It will become 1 plus cos 2 theta. And 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta.
Sir, but they gave some instructions for those angle, no, sir.
Yeah. The reason is root cos square actually will get a mod to decide it is positive. But if you see based on that interval, you will understand 2 theta is acute only. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I should have started little above, but it's okay. So now this will become 2 plus 2 cos theta. In that I can take 2 common, it will become 1 plus cos theta. And 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. So you will get, they gave 4 theta only here and 2 3 times. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay, so this 1 plus cos theta, you can write 2 cos square theta by 2. And that will become 2 cos theta by 2. Of course, every time mod is there, you have to understand it is positive based on the angles that are given. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tejas, are you there in the class? Okay, section 2. In the first one, there are 3 questions. Anybody, any doubt in these 3 questions? No. In this section 2,
Means like this solution PDF you already sent in the group, sir, with solutions and clear explanations.
Yeah, but still somebody might have not understood. So it's my duty to ask.
Sir, in section 2, fourth, second question, fourth bit, sir.
Yeah, okay, I'll discuss that.
The calculation is not getting, sir. Fourth one.
Yeah, I'll tell you. 1 by cos 290 degrees plus 1 by root 3 sine 250 degrees. We have a similar question with the 20 degrees, maybe a little before. Okay, I am going to write cos 290 as 270 minus 20. This 250 as 270 minus 20. Cos 270 minus theta is sine 20 and which quadrant? Third. So fine. Now third cos is negative, so minus sine 20. And this
Cos
is also
270 plus 20 na sir.
this is plus 24th quadrant, sine 20. Thank you. And this is third quadrant, and 270 becomes means sine becomes cos. You'll get a minus cos 20. Okay. I'm going to take LCM. That is this root 3 into sine 20 into cos 20. Here I'll be getting root 3 cos 20. Here only sine 20. Here I can use sine 2 theta formula. What about this? Whenever you have a cos theta plus b sin theta, standard procedure is
Sir,
multiply and
divide
divide
by
root
2
x plus
both
b.
on numerator and denominator.
Yeah, here I have to multiply 2 divided with 2. Here also I have to multiply 2 divided with 2. So here I am going to write 2 times root 3 by 2 cos 20 minus 1 by 2 sine 20. Here 1 by 2 into root 3 into 2 sine 20 cos 20. So here dividing with 2 is more useful. Here multiplying 2 more useful. So I divide and multiply 2 here, multiply and divide with 2. This is actually sine 60 and this is cos 60. So it will become 2 times sine 60 cos 20 minus cos 60 sine 20. And denominator root 3 by 2 into 2 sine a cos a is sine 2a. You will get sine 2 times 20 degrees. Okay. So now you can see 2 into this is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So we'll get 60 minus 20. This is root 3 by 2 into sine 40. So these two will cancel. This will go up. You will get 2 into 2 by root 3, which is 4 by root 3. Okay. So we may get up to this far. Okay. After that, you have to get an idea that this is close to sine 2 theta. This a sine theta plus b cos theta, repeatedly we do this. Multiply and divide with root a square plus b square and try to write sine a minus b or cos a plus b like that. Whoever has doubt, is this clear?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
Okay, as long as you try sincerely, if you ask each and every question doubt also, we are ready to clarify. You don't mind going slow. And if some people are able to do fast, if they are given more work, they can do that.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, this is Sai Kiran, sir. Sir, I not there in the max homework group, sir. If you are admin, can you add my number, sir?
Yeah, okay. I'll add. Roll number 34, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Why till now I added you earlier now? Why you are not there?
No, sir. My WhatsApp has been replied. As I tell at that time, you are not an admin, sir.
Oh, you sent me, but I did not. Okay, sorry. Usually I reply to WhatsApp very quickly, most people.
Okay,
Sometimes
sir.
I got. Okay.
I asked others, sir. They said.
Okay. Okay. Now this third question has 3 parts in it. Anybody any doubt in any one of them?
So third round, last.
Second one,
Okay.
sir.
The second one. Okay, I'll discuss the second one also. But coming to third one, I think simply use cos 3 theta formula, sin 3 theta formula. They'll become very simple, straightforward. Simply write cos 3 theta as 3 cos theta minus 4. Sorry, 4 cos 2 theta minus 3 cos theta. Sin 3 theta as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin 2 theta. Very easily simple by sin
We
square.
can take it as LCM. We should take it as take LCM and we should simplify it, sir. 3.
We can do that way also. They have to deal with cos power, that means cos sin theta common. You do that. Either you take LCM and do it, or use cos 3 theta sin 3 theta formula. You can do it either.
Yes, sir.
Okay, somebody asking second one. If still somebody wants third one, I'll write solution on the board. Not an issue.
No need, I think I did simplification mistakes. No need.
Okay. Okay. Sin 2x by secant x plus 1. And secant 2x by secant 2x plus 1. I have to prove tan x by 2. Okay. Sin 2x, I am going to write 2 sin x cos x. Secant x, I will write 1 by cos x plus 1. This I will write 1 by cos 2x. This I will write 1 by cos 2x plus 1. So 2 sin x cos x, if I take LCM here, it will become 1 plus cos x by cos x. And this is 1 by cos 2x. If I take LCM, I'll get 1 plus cos 2x by cos 2x. Cos 2x and cos 2x will cancel. 1 plus cos 2x, I can write 2 cos square x. And this cos x will go up. So I'll get 2 sin x cos square x, 1 plus cos x. This is 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. This cos square x 2 will get cancelled. I am left with this. That alone is tan x by 2.
Sir, what did you cancel, sir?
2 cos square x. 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x.
Okay, sir.
Now this sin x, I can write 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. And this 1 plus cos x, I can write 2 cos square x by 2. 2 will cancel, 1 cos will cancel. I will be left with sin x by 2 by cos x by 2, which is tan x by 2. Okay, just carefully using 1 plus cos 2 theta formula 2 times and the sin 2 theta formula 2 times.
From 1 plus cos x, you directly use the formula, sir, 2 cos square x by 2.
Yeah, like 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I told you that we were going to use these two repeatedly. 1 plus cos square x is 2 cos square x and 1 minus cos square x is 2 sin square x. They came from cos square x formula only, but in this way also we use it very frequently.
Okay, sir. You can drop it.
Okay, anybody still any doubt regarding this within third one, first or third? No. Okay, this fourth one has 3 questions. Anybody any doubt in that?
Sir, third one, second bit, sir. Tan 22.5, how to find that one?
Third one, second bit. Are you talking about the previous page?
No, sir. No, sir. In this question
Okay,
only.
Okay.
Here
How to
they
find tan? Okay, right. Wherever alpha is there, substitute 22.5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then it will become sin 45. This will become cos 45. Sin
ఇల్లమ్మా
45.
దగ్గర రాక నువ్వు.
Mute yourself. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay. Take LCM and rationalize the denominator, like multiplying with root 2 minus 1, root 2 minus 1. Finally, you'll get root 2 minus 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, can you give an idea about those three sums, sir? Just three sums.
Which one? This one? All
Yes,
of
sir,
them
those three.
don't start with LHS, start with RHS will easy. Okay. For example, coming to this cos 3a formula you apply. Okay. Cos 2a you write 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Numerator, and the numerator cos a will come common, they'll get cancelled, you'll get directly with cos.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Similarly here, sin 3a you write only one formula, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, and better to write cos 2a here as 1 minus 2 sin square a. Okay. And then numerator sin a common, again they'll get cancelled, you get sin. This one is easy. Start with RHS. Sin 2 alpha is 2 sin alpha cos alpha. 1 plus cos 2 alpha is 2 cos square alpha, and then you get tan alpha. Is it
It
okay?
was given in first round also, sir. Same sum.
Yeah. So if you start from RHS, it is easy. I think here RHS is given as LHS, LHS is given RHS right in the beginning. After that, how to get these things in the place of A, you substitute those angles and substitute it. Because they asked hence, otherwise we can find cos 15 easily by some other method. They asked, so we will. Okay, fifth one, first one is quite similar to the 290 degrees, 270 degrees. Just now we're done 250.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anybody doubt about this question?
Sir, I have doubt in fourth question, sir.
Yeah, fifth one, first one. Anybody has doubt? No.
Yes, sir. Also.
I should explain? Okay. This fifth one, first one, and the second one, and sometime back we discussed about the 290, 250 degrees. All are similar. What is that? Let us I will discuss the first one. One by sine 10 degrees minus root 3 by cos 10 degrees. Okay, if I take LCM for this, I will get cos 10 degree minus root 3 times sine 10 degree by sine 10 degrees into cos 10 degrees. You can multiply and divide with 2. 2 into half of cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 sine 10. Here you divide with 2 and multiply with 2. You will get 2 sine 10 degrees cos 10 degrees. This 1 by 2 I can write sine 30. And this root 3 by 2 you can write cos 30. By half into 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta sin 2 times 10 degrees. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B sin A minus B. You will get 30 degrees minus 10 degrees. And this is sin 20 degrees. So this is sin 20, this sin 20 cancel. This will go up. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, so denominator sin 2 theta we can easily recognize maybe, but numerator many times we'll be doing this a sin theta plus or minus b cos theta. We will multiply and divide it root a square with b square and use compound angle formula.
Sir, sixth one first.
Let me finish this one. Wait. So these two, in that I discussed first one. Based on that, you can easily do second one, right? Cosecant 20 as 1 by sin 20, secant 20 as 1 by cos 20, do LCM. Okay.
Yes, sir,
Any
you can
doubt
do it.
about this third question here?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. This fourth question, I think same question is there in our mains material, right?
Yes, sir. Same means like same question.
Yeah.
So we can apply component dividend, sir.
No. Here component dividend are not required. Okay.
Sir, we should take
A is
cos alpha
equals
by
to
b.
B into sin alpha by cos alpha, sir. Like that it will come.
We discussed 2 methods or 3 methods or 4 methods in the class. One is somebody can write in the place of B or in the place of A.
We can substitute B sin
Yes,
alpha
sir,
by
I'm
cos
telling that
alpha.
only. B is equals to
That is one thing.
a cos alpha by sin alpha.
Yeah. Or somebody can write tan alpha is A by B. And from tan alpha you can find sin 2 alpha separately, cos 2 alpha separately and substitute it. Or from tan alpha you can find sin alpha, cos alpha, then find sin 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha, you can substitute it. Not a problem. Okay.
Sir, sixth Roman, first one.
Yeah.
Roman
I'll just
first
give a hint. It's required. I'll write on the board. This c by 2, I know a plus b plus is 180 degrees. So I can write a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is 90 degrees. Then in the place of c by 2, what I can write? 90 degrees minus a by 2 plus b by 2.
Now
Okay,
we can apply tan on both sides.
If you apply tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So this is going to become cot of a by 2 plus b by 2. And the cot is reciprocal of tan of a by 2 plus b by 2. Tan a by 2 plus b by 2, what is the formula? Tan a by 2 plus tan b by 2 by 1 minus tan a by 2 into tan b by 2, compound angle formula. You know tan a by 2 separately, tan b by 2 separately. In fact, this question there is no need of giving in this exercise. They can give in compound angles itself. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anybody want me to write in detail on the board?
No, sir. It's okay, sir.
Okay. Any doubt about the sixth one, second one,
No, sir.
No, sir.
third one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
The seventh one, second bit, sir. First bit, no problem.
Okay.
First bit,
Seven?
like trigonometric identities, sir.
Yeah. They don't have to give this here. They have given earlier that
Also, I think we did this problem in some examples or
mains material somewhere.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because sum of these two angles is 4 pi by 8, 90 degrees. If this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. You get sine square. This will become 1. Similarly, this will become 1. You can prove that. It is also possible to prove that these two are equal and these two are equal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyway, seventh one, second one will be using that. Seventh one, second one is given in board exam almost every other year. Okay. It's a very common question they keep giving. Okay. Cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 3 pi by 8 cos power 4 5 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 7 pi by 8. Okay. Now 7 pi by 8, I can write 5 minus pi by 8. I can prove first and last are same. Actually, cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. But minus power 4 is there, it becomes plus 1. Yeah. Mainly what you have to notice is this angle plus this angle is 8 pi by 8 pi. So that means sum of the angles is 180. This angle plus this angle is also like that. So what I want to do is, I can prove these two are same, but I'll do slightly different. This I'm going to write pi by 2 minus pi by 8. This 3 I am writing it as a 4 minus 1 and splitting it. This I want to write pi by 2 plus pi by 8. And this I want to write pi minus pi by 8. This and this are same. Even though these are same, I can do it, but write again, I want to write this as 90 minus theta, this is 90 plus theta. So you will get cos power 4 pi by 8. Cos 90 minus theta is sine. This will be sine power 4 pi by 8. This is also sine power 4 pi by 8. This is cos power 4 pi by 8. These two are same, these two are same. So 2 times cos power 4 pi by 8 plus sine power 4 pi by 8. This cos power 4 pi by 8, I am going to write cos square pi by 8 whole square. This I am going to write sine square pi by 8 whole square. It is like a square plus b square. I can write a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So that is cos square pi by 8 plus sine square pi by 8 whole square minus 2 cos square pi by 8 and sine square pi by 8. This will become 1, take 2 inside, you will get 2 minus this into this will become 2 square. So it will become 2 sine pi by 8 cos pi by 8 whole square. This is like sine 2 theta, 2 sine theta cos theta sine 2 theta. So you will get 2 minus sine double of pi by 8 whole square, sine 2 theta. That is sine pi by 4. Sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Okay, so recognizing these two are equal and these two are equal, that is the sum is 180 first. Then sum of these two is recognizing 90. That's what I used it. And then writing a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. We've done this kind of question many times earlier. When power 4 is there or power 6 is there, we've done this kind of thing earlier. And now adding up to sine 2 theta formula. That's
Done, sir. Copying.
okay.
Sir, just one.
All right, I'm good. Everybody tried section 3 also, right?
Sir, second sum in third round first bit.
Yes, sir, we did, sir.
Okay. This very first question is there in mains material where we proved how LHS is 3 tan 3x. This is tan a plus b formula. This is also tan a plus b, then LCM here and then combining with this. So I don't have to discuss this. Okay. This second one, anybody has doubt?
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Okay. First thing is, first one and last one are equal because their sum, what is pi by 5 plus 4 pi by 5? 5 pi by 5, pi.
Yes, sir.
So if this is theta, this is 180 minus theta, you will get sin theta. Similarly, if this is theta, this is 180 minus theta because their sum is also pi. Okay, so first two and last two are same. So basically the question becomes square of this. After that, you know these values. What is pi by 5? 36 degrees. You know sin 36 as root 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Next is sin 72, which is cos 18, is root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Just substitute them. That's all.
Okay,
if you
sir.
don't mind, that second one, once you can write it on both.
Hmm. Sine pi by 5, sine 2 pi by 5, sine 3 pi by 5, sine 4 pi by 5. This 3 pi by 5, I want to write pi minus 2 pi by 5. This 4 pi by 5, I want to write pi minus pi by 5. So I will get sine pi by 5, sine 2 pi by 5, sine 180 minus theta is sine theta, will get sine 2 pi by 5. This is sine pi by 5. So I'll be getting sine pi by 5, sine 2 pi by 5 whole square. Okay, this is root over 10 minus, let me write in degrees. This is sine square 30 degrees. This is sine square 72 degrees. This is 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16. This is 10 plus 2 root 5 by 16. Actually, under root is the formula, but square is this. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. I'll get 10 whole square minus 2 root 5 whole square by 16 into 16. 100 minus 20, that is 80 by 16 into 16, which is 5 by 16. So just using all are known, 36, 72, 108 and 144 and something like that.
Sir, second question, first one doubt, sir.
Yeah. Generally, I should have discussed section 1 one day, section 2 one day, section 3 one day, because whole exercise one day means if I give 3 days, means some people will try everything on one day. They will be not okay. This third question, no problem, I think. Anybody doubt about this third question here?
No, sir.
Yeah, this actually can be in trigonometric ratios identities. Doesn't have to come to exercise. Yeah, this first question, anybody any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
One minus secant 8 alpha by 1 minus secant 4 alpha. Okay, I said these are the two formulas we are going to use repeatedly. One is 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. So I'm going to write the secant 8 alpha as 1 by cos 8 alpha, secant 4 alpha as 1 by cos 4 alpha. If I take LCM, cos 8 alpha minus 1 by cos 8 alpha, cos 4 alpha minus 1 by cos 4 alpha. I have take minus common here, minus common. I'll write 1 minus cos 8 alpha by cos 8 alpha. This if I take reciprocal, cos 4 alpha by 1 minus cos 4 alpha. Actually, I took minus common here, minus common, they got cancelled. Now, based on 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta, 1 minus cos 8 alpha will become 2 sin square 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha. This cos 4 alpha, 1 minus cos 4 alpha will become 2 sin square 2 alpha. Now, 2 is there, sin 4 alpha, cos 4 alpha, I want to combine. So, I want to write this as 2 into sin 4 alpha into cos 4 alpha. Extra 1 sin 4 alpha is left. And let it be this cos 8 alpha into 2 sin square 2 alpha. 2 into sin theta into cos theta, it is sin 2 theta. So it will become sin twice of 4 alpha. But this one, I want to use sin 2 theta as 2 sin theta cos theta. So half of that. So 2 sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha by cos 8 alpha into 2 into sin square 2 alpha. I can write sin 2 alpha into sin 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha will cancel, 2 will cancel. This is sin 8 alpha and down cos 8 alpha. Coming to this is sin 2 alpha and this down cos 2 alpha. I just brought this one to the denominator of this. This is tan 8 alpha and this is tan 2 alpha. So we'll get tan 8 alpha by tan 2 alpha. So these are just those few formulas only, manipulating them this way, that way.
Sir, in the last step, how did you write that one? Secant sin 2 alpha by cos 2 alpha, sir, in the denominator?
In the numerator, the right cos 2 alpha, I just brought it to denominator.
Okay, okay, sir.
Actually, cos 2 alpha by sin 2 alpha is cot 2 alpha in the numerator. If it is in the denominator, tan 2 alpha. Okay, the second question here, anybody has doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, can you give the hint, sir?
Okay, I'll give it. Okay, the second one, first one I'm erasing. Does anybody need more time?
Sir, you can write it on the screen, sir. Just I want the hint first.
Okay, the second one also is a very frequently asked question. One plus cos pi by 10, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10, 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10, and 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10. Okay. This 9 pi by 10, I want to write pi minus pi by 10. This angle plus this angle is pi. Similarly, this plus this is pi. So this you can write pi minus pi by 10. Doesn't mean they'll become same. No, because cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So this will become 1 minus, this is 3 pi cos 3 pi by 10. This will become 1 minus cos pi by 10. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Now these two I want to multiply these two. 1 minus cos square pi by 10. This is 1 minus cos square 3 pi by 10. This is sin square pi by 10. and this is sine square 3 pi by 10. Okay. Cos 18 degrees is not a simple value, but sine 18 is a simple value, which is root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is root 5 plus 1 by 4 total whole square. You can simplify that. So I think 2-3 times we came across that last two angles are pi minus first two angles. So we are able to change that and then do some calculation. Okay, this third question, first one. Anybody any doubt? Double of 2 pi by 7 is 4 pi by 7. And double of 4 pi by 7 is 8 pi by 7. Whenever you have one angle is double of previous angle, cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta, so on. What is there any formula?
Sine 2 to the power
Yes,
of n theta by 2 to the power of n by 2 to the power of n into sine theta.
Yes, you can use that formula. If you forget that formula, but you have an idea about how it is derived, basically you have to multiply with the sine of the smallest angle, divide with the sine of the smallest angle, and then repeatedly use sine 2 theta formula. A lot of 2's you have to multiply maybe.
Sir, doubling only for the numerator, sir.
No, and what I'm doubling means what is, okay, you multiply with 2 into 2 into 2 into sine 2 pi by 7, and also divide with 2 into 2 into 2 sine 2 pi by 7.
Okay.
This will become sine 2 theta formula. Again, this whole thing will become sine 2 theta formula. Again, this whole thing will become sine 2 theta formula.
Okay, sir.
So you will end up with sine 8 pi by 7, or sorry, sine 16 pi by 7 by 8 times the sine 2 pi by 7.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, I'm not, okay. This 16 pi by 7, you can write to 2 pi plus pi by 7.
Okay.
Sine 360 plus theta, sine theta. Anybody want me to write this whole thing on the board? I'm ready to write third one, first one. Any doubt?
No need, sir. We got it.
Okay. Third one, second one. Anybody has doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is also like previous question, but you may not see that clearly. What is double of pi by 11? 2 pi by 11. Double of 2 pi by 11? 4 pi by 11.
Yes, sir.
So what I expect next to come?
6 pi by 11.
Pi by 11.
No, 8 pi by 11. Double of 4 pi by 11 should
Okay,
be
sir.
8 pi by
Okay,
11.
sir. 8 pi by
Okay,
11.
sir. 8 pi by 11.
We can get 8 pi by 11 from this. How? 3 pi by 11,
Yeah.
I can write pi minus 8 pi by 11, right? And cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Okay. Once you get cos 8 pi by 11, I want double of that. What is that?
6 cos 16.
Cos 16 minus. We
This
can
will
write
give you
for-
that.
Cos 5.
Yeah, pi by 11, you can write 16 pi by 11 minus pi. And cos A minus there, cos B minus is same. You can write 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So you may get minus twice, they'll get cancelled, but you will get neatly pi by 11, 2 pi by 11, 4 pi by 11, 8 pi by 11, 16 pi by 11. Then, you know the formula, sine 2 power n, which is 2 power 5 will come here. But still, whenever you are doing this double thing, you can also do by CS method. So I'm going to explain this, how to do by CS method. Because if you did double, we already discussed in the class the proof, the formula and derivation. We done 1 or 2 questions. Even the last question of this exercise gives you idea about it, right? Last question, can you see on the screen? Cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A into cos 8A is equal to sin 16A by 16 sin A. Okay, you have to prove that from the beginning, not just state the formula. Okay, everybody knows how to prove this, right?
Yes, sir, we know.
Yeah, and then you put A is 2 pi by 15 come. So I'll just discuss this one last question and we'll stop here, even though I'm crossing the time. Or anyway, why to hurry? Tomorrow I'll discuss this peacefully. What is the big deal? And then we'll continue with transformations. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So those who don't have much, that means you have finished all this work, you can start doing exercise 60. If somebody completed exercise 60, you can look at examples before 6F and even do 6F also. Otherwise, tomorrow I'll give you some idea about exercise 6F. That is also transformations.
Sir,
But exercise,
yes, sir. Okay, sir.
exercise 60 do first. If somebody completed, I'm talking about that. Okay.
E, sir.
Tomorrow, exercise 60
Okay.
you have to complete first. Okay. Next, tomorrow is not a holiday, so normal classes are there.